find something?
No, not yet. Not yet. Come on, keep going.
You gonna help dig?
Ooh, look how nice and soft it is. You want to try? Okay, over here. Put it in the hole. You want me to help? Oh, I think I see something. You want me to try to get it?
Can Uncle Gary try to get it?
Want me to try? Okay. It's over here.
See, that hat is blocking everything, kid.
I think it's out. It's over here. There it is. Hold on, let me see that. Let me have this for a minute. Can I have the shovel? Thank you. Look at it's a piece of wire. Piece of wire. You gonna put it in the pouch? Thank you. Okay, let's bury it up again. Good job, high five. Bam. Whatever it is, it's down deep. Or there's two objects, one might be deep. I think that's what
Hang on, bud.
Might be roots. Rooty toot toot. Deeper?
Deep, high. Deep, high.
Yeah, I got some old, see, an old piece of wire. Icky old wire. Well, I'll throw that in the garbage and get rid of it.
Broken wire.
Yeah, broken wire.
Wire.
So we'll pack that all in nice.
There's a bug.
Bug.
Oh, Uncle Gary smashed it. Okay.
So we're gonna just keep on going because you know. Well, looks like we got something there.
All right, you gonna help Uncle Gary dig? Help him dig.
There's some stuff right there. You want to push the? You want to help? Want me to help you? Here, put your hand on top there. We'll push it down and pry it up. Let's see if we see anything in here. Nope, it's still in there. Want to help? Put your hands on top of mine.
Help dig.
Here we go. Ready? Keep doing it. Good job, buddy. Okay, we'll set that down. I think it's out. Yep, it's over here somewhere.
It's so deep.
What happened to it? It disappeared on me. Sometimes that happens.
Guess it landed.
Oh, it's in here. It's in here. Something in here. Or else it's picking up this. Yeah.
Oh,
I think it's
where'd
something.
it go? Where did it go, bud?
Sometimes it's hard to find it because it's really small, but there it is. It's a little tiny piece of metal. That's just some garbage. Okay, we'll put that in the pouch. All right, now we'll bury our hole. Pack it in good. Make it so it looks like we're in here. Looks like we have a treasure here.
What's down here?
I think we have a treasure here. Right there. Let's dig it up and see.
Dig it up.
I think we have a good one here this time.
finding treasure? Okay.
Can you see that one? Come here. You want to hold it?
A boat.
Yeah.
Boat. They're broken a boat.
Yeah. That's like on Daddy's car. Want me to put it in the garbage?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Boat.
Oh.
I think.
Come on, bud.
Uh-oh. What?
Hope I'm allowed to be parked over there.
Uh-oh. A boat.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's just the soccer thing was going on and now everybody's just left.
A treasure.
I'm looking for treasures.
A finding a boat.
He's doing his best to keep your thing.
Yeah.
He's trying to follow it with the
You're
camera.
doing a great job, Paxton. I appreciate everything you're doing.
Oh, did we find something right in the middle of all those pricker weeds?
I think it's right here.
Right here.
Right there. I think it's going to be a pull tab by the numbers, but it could be a nickel or it could be a ring too. Still in there. That sucks. Here, oh look, we got some more of that can slaw that the lawnmower is, that sharp stuff. I'll put that in the garbage, okay? I'm sure glad you're helping me today.
I'm dying.
Okay,
If anything, it will be.
it's right there, Paxton.
Let's make
Right
sure the
there.
camera's on it.
Oh, that stuff is tough. Might be near the top.
Can we find something to
I think so. I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Something in here. There it is. You see it?
Yeah.
We found 1 cent, 1 penny.
A pen.
Yeah. Put it in your
Can you-
pocket now.
Can you hold it out? Hold it out in your hand like this. No, hold your hand out. Put it in your hand like that. Right there, bud. All right, hold it out. Show it to mommy.
Hold like this.
Hold like this. We're gonna show it to the camera.
Open your hand.
Open your hand, bud.
There you go. Good job.
All right, hold it. Let's show it to the camera. Put out your hand. All right, let's open your fingers.
Good job, buddy.
Oh,
I can adjust it. Did it go black?
no. Oh, it did, but I woke it up.
There it is, I think. Yeah. What is that? Okay, good thing we got that out of the ground so somebody steps on it. That's an old Zeltzer Seltzer bottle cap and it's got glass in it. So we're gonna take that out of the park and throw it in the garbage, Paxton, okay? So nobody gets hurt on it. I'll put that in there. We'll cover up our hole really good.
Okay,
recorders. Let's see, what are they old? We got a 1978. And a state quarter, so it's in the 2000s. You did pretty good. We had a coin spill. That's your first one.
Good job, bud.
You want to take those home? There you go.
You want to hold it, bud? Hold it.
Sure.
No, that.
You want to hold that?
Hold that and
You want to be the camera?
You want to be the camera operator?
All right.
Okay, we got a spot right here. Let Mommy help you a little bit.
oh, right.
I think we got something here. It's right around there somewhere. Should put on some